How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Rejuvenator, back with another cleaning video. Today we'll be using our new boxed advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system. As you can see that there. We're excited to bring new packaging to it. I think it's pretty dope. These shoes I took to Puerto Rico. I got them dirty. They're not quite as dirty as I'd like, but that's okay. We're gonna do a cleaning on them anyway. First thing we're gonna do is take the shoe trees, we're gonna adjust them to size. The reason that I'm putting shoe trees in here is it's going to allow us to put pressure on the toe box, giving you a much better clean at the end of the day. First brush we'll be using today, Soft Bristle. So what I like to do is loosen the dirt first with the softest brush, and then I go from soft to stiff. Again, you just want to let the brush do the work. You never want to scrub too hard because you're just going to damage the bristles. These are actually cleaning up pretty easy, so I may just do a quick clean. That's what's so nice about having this advanced 3-brush laundry system, is you have the ability to just do a quick clean, or you can put them in the washing machine if they need that deep clean. So we'll see once I'm done if I decide to use the washer or not. Okay, so we're just gonna pat this dry, so we can get a good look and see how dirty they are still. I'm gonna move on to the medium bristle brush though, so I can hit the midsoles here. So here's the medium bristle brush. Okay, these are looking pretty good. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this medium bristle brush and I'm gonna gently, in one direction, hit the uppers on this mesh. It's gonna allow me to clean this material better, but not damage the material. You see that around the ankle? I'm gonna take this brush and now the last step, our stiff bristle brush. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the midsoles and soles one time. They look pretty good, but there's still some spots right here. Unfortunately, once the boost material gets stained, there's nothing you can do to clean it. We have kids at sneaker shows all the time that come up and they just want to scrub the crap out of it. Unfortunately, once it's stained, it's always stained. So the only way to protect that is to either put tape over it, or we sell a sole shield that is probably better, that will cover the entire sole, and that'll protect this and it'll keep them looking new. See that? The staining on the heel right there. So what I'm gonna do, those of you that have watched me shoot videos before, you know my tip here where you just dip the microfiber towel and you buff that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the washing machine. Allow me to clean the lace too, which I have right here. So, trusted sneaker laundry bag here. Take this shoe, drop it in, put the laces right inside, lock it down, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the washing machine now, let them dry. We'll come back and show you the final results in a few minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so we're in our bathroom here at the Rejuvenator headquarters. We got our portable washing machine. It's hooked up to our sink. What we're gonna do is turn it on. We're gonna do a regular cycle. We don't need a large. We'll do a small load because we're only putting one shoe in there. And cold water, and we'll basically hit start. Throw the shoe in. Take our laundry detergent. That's that. Hit start, there you go. Basically, that you see, that's 42 minutes. We'll let that go through the wash cycle, put them outside, let them dry for 10 minutes, show you the final results. See you in a few, let's go. How's it going, YouTube? We are back. We let these dry, we gave them a good cleaning, put them out in the hot Arizona sun. As you can see, they look pretty damn good. I'm happy because I want to wear these again My man Lee is gonna go ahead and shoot some tight B-roll for you so you can check out the before and afters. Again, if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that now. We will be doing another giveaway of a pair of Yeezys this month. Every month, a pair of Yeezys. Make sure you go enter to win this competition. It is now presented by StockX. Thank you, StockX. And that's gonna be it. That's the conclusion of this video. Advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system. Go get it, reshoevn8r.com. Peace.